Welcome to 38th Lambeth Road, nestled in the heart of St. Vital, one of Winnipeg's most established and family-friendly neighborhoods. This charming 1,050 square foot plus bungalow backs onto a quiet care home, offering the kind of peace and quiet that's hard to find. Perfect for those who appreciate a serene setting without sacrificing city convenience. With major updates already taken care of, including the roof, mechanical, and exterior, you can move in with peace of mind knowing the big ticket items are done. Inside, the main floor features 3 comfortable bedrooms and a full bathroom, with generous natural light and a layout designed for easy living. Downstairs, the fully finished basement adds even more living space, including a bonus room perfect for guests or a home office, and a second full bathroom for added convenience. If you're looking for a move-in ready home in a peaceful part of St. Vital with the updates that matter the most, this is it.